In front of me is OPPO A5m, and let me show you how to perform a virus scan. So at first, open your phone manager, and here click on Viruses and Risks. Now wait, as you can see, your device will be scanned automatically. Just give it a couple of seconds or more like 1 minute. And that's it. As you can see here, you've got the notification. If there is any threat detected, you will be informed, but in my case, the device is secure. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.